Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the watch and preparing tools because preventing damage is the priority. Open the case back using the correct wrench or knife. If it's a snapback, pry gently at the notch. Once the back is off, remove the stem or secure the movement so it won't shift. This prevents scratches when you press out the old glass. Make sure to photograph orientation and gasket placement, since reassembly depends on exact alignment and gasket condition. You now focus on extracting the old glass with controlled force because accidental pressure damages the dial. If press fit, use a crystal press with the right dies and apply even, centered pressure. If glued, warm the bezel slightly while protecting the dial and pry gently from the edge. Once removed, clean all adhesive and corrosion from the bezel using solvent and a plastic pick. Make sure the seating surface is perfectly flat, otherwise the new crystal won't seal and moisture can enter. You finish by fitting the new glass and restoring the watch's seal because that preserves function. Test fit the crystal, align it to any dial markings, then press it evenly with a properly sized die or apply manufacturer-approved adhesive in a thin bead. Replace the gasket and lubricate it slightly before reassembling the case back and stem. Finally, check crown operation and, if possible, perform a water resistance test. If fogging appears later, check gasket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.